Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best hips and tips on the internet, in my opinion. It's not unusual to want to drill half a hole or even a quarter of a hole. Well, to make life easy for yourself, leave your wood a little bit long and a little bit wide, or clamp on extra pieces of wood so that the centre of your hole is still available. Use an awl to mark the centre and then use either a brad point bit or a Forstner bit like I'm doing here. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now, and if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes. For a chance to win the nightstand I'm building, check out my Just Giving page.